Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. Today we are going to discuss about electoral reforms in India. This is an important topic in our political geography for UGC NET examination. This is the course outline, historical background, pre-independence electoral context and evolution, Election Commission of India, major legislative reforms, technological reforms, political finance reforms, representation and inclusion, delimitation and geography, pending reforms, and PYQs. Okay. Historical background of electoral reforms. 1950, Representation of the People Act, Foundation of Indian Electoral Law, Universal Adult Franchise, ancient in Constitution, Article 326. 1951, RPA 1951, first general elections, first Lok Sabha elections, 85% seats contested. First past the post FPTP system adopted. 1966, Joint Parliamentary Committee, Santhanam, early recommendations on political finance and election expenditure limits. 1975, Emergency and Shah Commission, 1977, exposed electoral malpractices lead to demand for comprehensive reforms. 1990, Dinesh Goswami Committee recommended state funding of elections, curbing criminalization of politics. 1993, T.N. Session era Model Code of Conduct and strictly EVMs introduced experimentally in Kerala. 1982, 2000 Law Commission Report 170th and 255th, proposed electoral bond reforms, NOTA, NOTA, none of the above, decriminalization and intra-party democracy. 2013 to present days, NOTA and transparency, Supreme Court in PUCL case 2013 mandated NOTA, electoral bench introduced 2018. Election Commission of India, ECI. Constitutional basis, Article 324, Superintendence are direction and control of elections vested in Election Commission of India. Established on 25th January 1950, initially single member, multi-member since 1989, Article 324, Part 2, CEC, removal requires same procedure as Supreme Court judge. Article CEC means Chief Commissioner, Election Commissioner, Chief Election Commissioner, Supreme Court judge, Article 324, Part 5. Quasi-judicial power, disqualification of candidates, recognition and pre-recognition of parties, allotment of election symbols, countermanding elections on date of candidate, deciding vote, capturing complaints. Administrative power, delimitation of constituencies with DC, preparation and revision of electoral rules, scheduling and conduct of elections, reinforcement of model code of conduct, deployment of central forces in sensitive areas. Advisory powers, disqualification under Schedule 10 and defection, advice to President, Governor on elections, recommendations on electoral reforms, registering political parties, Section 29A RPA, election expenditure monitoring. Okay, these are some notable CECs, Chief Election Commissioner, Sukumar Sen, T.N. Session, J.M. Lingdoh, and Nasim J.D. Okay, first election commissioner was Sukumar Sen. Rajiv Kumar is 2022 to 2000 till present. Major legislative reforms, Representative of the People Act 1950, delimitation of constituencies, preparation of electoral rules, qualifications for voters, universal adult franchise, defines election machinery structure. Representation of the People Act 1951, conduct of elections to Parliament and state legislatures, qualifications and disqualifications of candidates, corrupt parties and electoral offences, election disputes and election tribunals, anti-defection law 10 schedule, 52nd constitutional amendment, disqualification for voluntary giving up party membership, voting against party whip, disqualification exception, merger of at least 2/3 members, speaker, chairman as deciding authority. Key amendments and as Supreme Court judgments, voting age lowered 21 to 18 years, 1988 61st Amendment, PUCL versus Union of India 2013, right to NOTA, none of the above. Lily Thomas case 2013, convicted MPs and MLAs disqualified immediately. Kihoto Holohan 1992, validity of 10 schedule upheld. Electoral bond judgment 2024, SC struck down scheme. Technological reforms, EVMs and VVPATS. EVM journey, 1982, first experimental use in Kerala, North Parabur constituency. 1998, ECI Election Commission of India used EVMs in select states after legal challenge dissolved. 2004, EVMs used nationally for the first time in 4th Lok Sabha elections. 4th Lok Sabha election, first use. EVM 2024, it is very important question, fact. 2013, VVPAT, voter verifiable paper audit trail, introduced experimentally. 2019, VVPAT is mandatory alongside every EVM in all constituencies. 2024, SC dismissed petition seeking return to ballot papers, April 20, 2004. Key facts, EVM, BU, ballot unit plus CU, control unit. VVPAT slip visible for 7 seconds and stored in selected box. Battery powered, no external power needed. One-time programmable chip, tamper evident. Nota introduced post PUCL 2013 SC order. Maximum 64 candidates per EVM. EVM's latest with enhanced security features. Remote EVM REMS pilot for migrants proposed. Political finance and electoral bond reforms. Problems in political financing: black money dominance, unaccounted case funds majority of campaign expenses, opaque donations, companies and individuals donate without public disclosure, disproportionate spending, risk candidates outspend limits, ECI imposed limits circumvented, quad pro quo, donations linked to policy favor post-election, sale companies, Fixed companies used to route donations P 2018. Reform milestone 1968, companies prohibited for making donations. 1985, ban partially lifted with disclosure norms. 2003, unlimited corporate donations allowed with disclosure. 2013, political parties must disclosure donors from more than 20,000. 2018, electoral bond scheme introduced SBI. Issue 2024, SC struck down electoral bond scheme as unconstitutional. Okay, election expenditure limits 2022 Lok Sabha. 95 lakhs big states, 75 lakhs small state, assembly 40 lakhs to 28 lakhs. Representation, inclusion and nota. Women in Lok Sabha, percent of total seats. Okay. Key inclusion provisions, Women's Provisions Bill 2023, 106th Amendment. 33 seats reserved in Lok Sabha and state assemblies after delimitation. SC and ST reservation, articles T30 and T32 reserved constituency for SC, ST on population basis, renewed is delimitation. Nota, none of the above, mandatory on EVMs post PUCL 2013, no electoral consequence yet. Postal ballot for armed forces, gov servants, abroad senior citizens, PWD COVID affected, expanded 2020. Overseas voters, non-residential Indians allowed to register as voters, RBA Amendment 2010. Voting age lowered from 21 to 18 years through 16 First Constitutional Amendment 1988. Okay, delimitation and geographic dimensions of election. Delimitation means the process of fixing and redrawing the boundaries of constituencies to ensure equal representation. Article 82 and 170. Carried out by the Delimitation Commission, Article 327 and 328. Last delimitation 2002, effective 2008. Next likely post 2026 census. But nowadays it is not in active form. Okay, it's not fulfilled. It was rejected. Okay, Delimitation Commissions, 1952, First Commission, Delimitation Commission Act, 1963, Second Commission, 1973, Third Commission, 2002, Fourth Commission, Delimitation Forager, 1976, 2001, to incentivize family planning, post 2026 census measure, delimitation expected. Geography principles, population equality, is seat equal population, contiguity constituency must be contiguous, compactness, avoid elongated irregular shapes, national boundaries, rivers, hills, administrative units, SC/ST concentration, reserved seat placement. Gerrymandering in India, malapportionment, unequal seat population ratio, state level delimitation for panchayats often politicized. Jammu and Kashmir reorganization 2020, new DC effect after special status revocation. Northeastern states, tribal homelands and autonomous districts, urban-rural disparity in constituency size. Special election electoral patterns, north-south demographic divide in representation, states with higher population get more seats, freeze debate, caste geography overlap in reserved constituencies, Naxal affected areas, special security for pooling, remote census and GIS used in electoral rule mapping. Okay, pending reforms committees and recommendations. Major committees on electoral reforms, committee report, year and key recommendation. Dinesh Goswami Committee, 1990, state funding of elections, MCC statutory status, independent candidates, deposits, rules. Borah Committee, 1993, criminalization of politics, nexus between criminals and politicians. Indrajit Gupta Committee, 1998, partial state funding for recognized parties, free broadcast time on Doordarshan. Law Commission 172 report 1990, proportional representation, mixed negative voting and decriminalization. National Commission Venkata Salia 2002, two-party presidential model discussed, inner party democracy. Law Commission 253 report 2015, state funding decriminalization, issued independent of government nota with effect. Election Commission proposals ongoing, one nation one election, remote voting for migrants, Aadhaar voter ID linking. Okay, one nation one election. Ramnath Kovind Committee 2024 recommended simultaneous Lok Sabha plus state assembly elections. This is important topic nowadays. PYQ analysis, high-yield topics and exam strategy, frequently asked UGC NET questions. Rule and power of Election Commission of India, anti-defection law, 10 schedule, Kyoto Ham case, delimitation commission, composition process and geographic evidence, EVMs and VVPAT, history, PUCL in judgment 2013, SC 2024, Women's Reservation 106th Amendment, current status in Lok Sabha, criminalization of politics, Lily Thomas case, Borah Committee, electoral bonds, schemes, SBI rule, SC judgment 2024, nota, PUCL case, meaning electoral impact. These are some important topic in our net exam perspective. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.